student, welcome once again for discussion of worksheet number 41, and our topic is volume of cube and cuboid. Here we are given a cuboid and we want to find out how much space is there in this given box. Let us find out it by doing an activity. We'll fill this box with this unit cube. This is a unit cube because its dimensions are in unit, and we'll fill this cuboidal box with this cube and we'll calculate how many cubes will occupy this cuboid. So here we have started. In the length side we have filled 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 cubes. On the length side यहाँ पर 5 क्यूब आ गए. On the breadth side 1 and 2 यहाँ पर 2 क्यूब्स आ गए. And height we are filling. We need this one layer has been done, 2 layer and 3 layers can be put on the height side, है ना? Then it will complete the cuboid. So we see that one layer of the box contains 10 cubes, 5 into 2. To fill this completely, we would need 3 such layers. So it will require 30 cubes, yani 10 into 3. So we can write it this way also, 5 into 2 into 3. 5 is the unit side of length, 2 is the unit side of width, and 3 is the unit side of height. Therefore, the space enclosed by the box will contain 30 cubes. We get the answer by multiplying its length, breadth and height. So to know the space, we have actually calculated it by doing activity, and this space is also known as volume in mathematics. So what is volume? The three-dimensional space enclosed by the boundary or occupied by an object is called the volume. So if you are to find out the volume of a cuboid box, that will be 30 cubic units. To find the volume of any cubical or cuboidal box, we can therefore use this formula. Volume of cuboid can be found out by calculating length, breadth and height and multiplying all of them. Similarly, volume of cube is calculated by multiplying all the 3 sides, because here in cube the length, breadth and height are same, so it will be L into L into L, or it can be written as side into side into side. Okay, so in this video we have actually calculated the volume of cuboid and how to find out the volume of cube. And volume means what? Volume means the space contained in the object, contained in the cuboid, contained in the cube. The physical meaning of this volume is the space contained inside the object. Okay. And one more thing is that the unit of measurement of these two, either of these two is cubic units. आप इनको calculate करेंगे इस तरीके से और आंसर रिपोर्ट करने में cubic units में आंसर रिपोर्ट करेंगे. जैसे हम एक क्वेश्चन करते हैं, अ मैच बॉक्स मेजर्स 4 by 2 by 5 by 1.5 सेंटीमीटर. तीनों ही सेंटीमीटर में है, सो नो वरीज. अगर अलग होते सो हमें इसको चेंज करना पड़ता बाय यूजिंग द कन्वर्जन ऑफ यूनिट्स. व्हाट विल बी द वॉल्यूम ऑफ 12 सच बॉक्सेस. आप एक बॉक्स का वॉल्यूम निकालिए, फिर 12 बॉक्सेस का निकालने के लिए उसको 12 से मल्टीप्लाई कर दीजिए. सो वॉल्यूम ऑफ वन मैच बॉक्स विल बी गिवन बाय लेंथ इंटू ब्रेड्थ इंटू हाइट, बिकॉज मैच बॉक्स कैसी होती है, क्यूबॉइडल शेप में है. आप डायमेंशंस को देख के भी पता लगा सकते हो, लेंथ, ब्रेड्थ और हाइट, कि ये एक क्यूबॉइड की ही डायमेंशंस हो सकते हैं. तीनों को मल्टीप्लाई करोगे 15 सेंटीमीटर क्यूब आंसर आ गया. 12 बॉक्सेस के लिए 12 से मल्टीप्लाई करके 180 सेंटीमीटर क्यूब आंसर आ गया. लेट अस सी. We have to try these questions. Length, breadth and height of a cuboidal room. एक रूम है जिसकी डायमेंशंस है 5 मीटर by 4 मीटर by 3 मीटर respectively. So this is length, breadth and height. Find the volume of the room. Now it's very easy question. Volume of the cuboidal room can be easily found out by multiplying length, breadth and height. That will be 5 into 4 into 3 and multiplying all these things. 5 into 4 is 20, 20 into 3 is 60 meter cube. So we have written the formula correctly, we have put the values correctly and we have multiplied it correctly and we got the answer and we have reported the answer correctly by using cubic units. So we will get the full marks. Now let's see second question. A cubical box has each edge 10 centimeter. Find the volume of the box. Volume of the cubical box can be given by L cube or L into L into L or side into side into side. So it will be 10 by 10 by 10. We multiplied all these things. It's very easy. 1000 centimeter cube. So in this video we had learned the formula for volume of cuboid and volume of cube. It's very easy, length into breadth into height, and it will be L cube or side into side into side. आफ्टर कैलकुलेटिंग दिस थिंग मल्टीप्लाई करना है एंड देन आंसर रिपोर्ट करने में आपको क्यूबिक यूनिट्स में आंसर रिपोर्ट करना है. सो दिस एक्सरसाइज विच वी आर डूइंग दीज डेज बाय कैलकुलेटिंग द सरफेस एरियाज. प्रीवियस वर्कशीट में हमने सरफेस एरिया निकाला, इस वर्कशीट में हमने वॉल्यूम निकाला, आगे आप सिलेंडर कोन ये सब करेंगे. ये सब के अंदर सबसे इंपॉर्टेंट चीज़ फार्मूला है, आंसर किस में रिपोर्ट कर रहे हो. उसके बाद सिंपल मैथमेटिकल कैलकुलेशंस है. कैलकुलेशंस में यू कैन कमिट मिस्टेक ऑल्सो, कोई अब बहुत बड़ी बात नहीं है, कई बार आपसे गलती हो सकती हो, लेकिन आप फॉर्मूला रिपोर्ट करेंगे, यहाँ फोकस्ड रहेंगे तो गलती आपसे नहीं होगी. सो यू हैव टू प्रैक्टिस ऑल दीज थिंग्स एंड ट्राई टू मेक लेस एंड लेस ऑफ मिस्टेक्स. डू दीज थिंग्स इन योर कॉपीज, सेंड पिक्स टू योर टीचर्स ऑल्सो. And my tip is, learn the formulas of this chapter. It's very important because you will practice these things in your class 10th also. All these topics are equally important in your board exams also. Okay, in your competitive exams also. Whenever you want to appear for any competitive exam, these formulas help you a lot. Okay, those who want to take science subjects, in physics you have to use all these things. Okay, so please do write in the comment section. We'll meet again in the next worksheet. Till then, bye bye.